Are you starving when you get home from school and don't know what to eat and have no time to make something really big? Then the classic PB&J sandwich is the perfect option for you. Today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make the classic PB&J. First, you need to grab all the ingredients: peanut butter, jelly, bread, also a knife, and probably a plate to put it all on. For the first step, grab your bread, then put them side by side and get your knife and peanut butter ready. Second step, grab the peanut butter, grab the knife, spread peanut butter on both sides of the bread. Next step, grab another knife, jelly, and put jelly on one piece of the bread. Then take both pieces of bread with the peanut butter and the jelly, combine them, and boom, perfect after school snack.